drill have to do with bartending? Absolutely nothing. Or everything. Okay! So we grab our ice cube that we just ripped out of the freezer. Look how clear it is. Crystal clear. Okay, now watch what we do. We give it a little tipsy stamp. Does it need it? No. But it's cool anyway. Tipsy. Okay? Yeah, we can flip it over. Alright, now. We got Jager here. Red Bull, so you know it's coming. We can turn this into a glass. I gotta find the exact center. This is an exact science. Somewhere around here, I don't know. Hold it steady when you do that. Now I get my glove to hold it steady. That was intentional because I wanted you guys to see what could go wrong. Drills are always dangerous. Now you know. Okay, starting again. Dead center. Starting again. Dead center. Now I want to look at the pointy thing in the front too, okay? Make sure it don't go too low. See, look at it. You could see where the pointer went down to the bottom. You see it? See the little hole there? Now we got it well rinsed. Look inside. You can see. And then down to the bottom. Beautiful. Pour in some Jägermeister. Oh, snapperella. See, in the little tip down below, we got some. Now, let's get a little bit of Red Bull in here. Okay, that's about right. We come in. Bang! And there you have it! The fancy ice Jager bomb! Okay? Be careful with the drill. Remember, drink responsibly. Never drink and drive. Like my gloves?